Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna say to you how to make a slime instruction. The first one, we're gonna put the glue in bowl. Next, we're gonna put a water. Konti lang po ng tubig. Next, at imimix po. Mix ng this spoon at 5 times to mix. 5 times to mix. Mix. That. And I have a video in the how slime. The slime is the title. And please subscribe to my channel, please. And the third one, get the water in the slime. Next, get the slime and let's massage it. Next, massage. After massage, let's play now the slime. Bye guys! And look my video how to make a slime. Bye!